Pepper, the original, then our Pepper Jack hunks.
You don't live without that, man. What is that called?
The Pepper Jack hunks.
There you go. Perfect. Thank you very much. Have a great show. Pretty car.
Yep, it is. There's a lot of pretty cars here.
I see you, you whole damn thing.
Hey, man.
Waterfront, he was going to use the engine transmission or whatever to restore
The most expensive night of your life. Getting pulled over by to around $10,000 in fines, fees, and insurance rates. Nothing goes with us. Pulled over for bus driving.